Okay, guys, let's start now. Okay, and right now I want to do uh okay, so for this paper is Terengganu's paper 2022. So I guess maybe your teacher already gave you this paper. If you are from Terengganu, I think this question is familiar to you lah, because this is a trial paper from Terengganu. This is 2022, which is 4 years ago. Okay. So the question I selected is really easy one. Okay, the question I selected really easy. As long as you pay attention. If you don't pay attention, really difficult one. As long as you pay attention, you confirm boleh buat. Okay, guys. So since there is some non-DLP students, so we need to respect each other. So I will teach in two different language lah. Okay. So uh this experiment, you can refer your textbook on page 216. Okay, BM also the same lah. Okay, so may I start now, my dears? Can I start? If I can start, raise your hand. Okay, very good. Okay, so you look at this question. I will read English first, then I read Malay. Okay, look at this question together. This question very easy only. I teach you how to hack. Come on. Okay, this question is talking about one city held a Thanksgiving feast to celebrate her retirement. Okay, okay. So one city mengadakan kenduri kesyukuran. Ini tak penting. Just ignore, okay? No information one, just ignore. Okay. So just ignore lah, no need to peduli. Okay. And then one of the food menus served to the guests is apples. Okay. So Puan Siti hidangkan buah apple kepada tetamu. So uh, after she cut the apple and soak it into two different type. Okay, guys, my dear, if you got the notes, please highlight. What I write, you just follow. Okay, what I write, you just follow. Okay, so she cut the apple, soak it into two different type of water, left it for 1 hour. Okay, Puan Siti potong buah apple, lepas tu rendam ke dalam dua jenis air yang berbeza dan dibiarkan selama 1 jam. Okay, 1 jam eh. 1 jam ni penting. Okay, 1 hour is very important Okay, so and then before serving it to the guests, she found that the apple slices were as in diagram 11. Okay, sebelum hidangkan buah apple kepada tetamu, okay, Puan Siti mendapati irisan apple tersebut adalah seperti Raja 11. Okay, so dia cakap banyak-banyak macam tu I don't want. I don't like even. Okay, you see we have two apples. Okay, you see the first one, it mentioned that direndam dalam air garam. Okay, for this one, it didn't give you the what's that? The English one. So you write down lah. This is salt water. Okay, for DLP students, you write down, and this is distilled water. Suling means distill. Okay, so okay so you see this both apples. Okay, tell me the first thing. What is the differences? Apakah beza antara apple yang direndam dalam air garam dengan apple yang direndam dalam air suling? You want to answer in Malay also can. Good job, Qixuan, the color. Very obvious. You see when I soak the apple into salt water, apabila saya rendam apple tu ke dalam air garam tu, tiada perubahan. No changes at all. You see? No changes. But right now, when I soak into distilled water, the color changes. So, color changes is actually a process. What is the process? If you watch the video, you confirm know what is the process. Good job, Qixuan. Good job, Adam, good. Sorry, Adam kan. Okay, oxidation. Good job, both of you. So, oxidation. Ini oxidation. Oxidation dalam Malay ialah pengoksidaan. Betul kan? Am I right? I think it's pengoksidaan. Am I right, non-DLP students? Later wrong, I scared. Oh, don't like that. Oh, am I right? Oh, okay, correct. Okay, correct. Okay, good. Thank you, thank you. Okay, betul dah. Okay, so you see, two apples. One no changes, one has changes. Okay, lepas tu kita tengok apa yang kita boleh dapatkan dari dua apple ini. So, pertama sekali, sebelum nak jawab soalan eksperimen, saya sentiasa mengesyorkan semua pelajar. I always tell my students, make sure to write down pemboleh ubah or kita panggil variable. Okay, so variable kita ada MV ataupun pemboleh ubah manipulasi. Betul kan? Lepas tu kita ada RV. RV tu pemboleh ubah bergerak balas kan? Pemboleh ubah bergalak balas kan? Betul, bergerak balas. Okay, saya tulis BB lah. Okay. So, CV is constant variable, which is pemboleh ubah dimalarkan. Okay. So, awak kena faham dahulu uh, what is the meaning of MV, RV, and CV? Apakah maksud pemboleh ubah manipulasi, pemboleh ubah bergerak balas, dan juga CV constant variable dan juga iaitu pemboleh ubah dimalarkan. Okay, so pertama sekali, let's see MV MV means manipulated variable. Manipulated variable means, you see the words M. M is manipulate. Manipulate means I control. So when I control, there will totally have two types of different things. Okay, two types of different things. Okay, two different things. I just write shortcut. Okay, it confirm got two different things. Confirm. And then manipulate always starts with type one. Type of something one. Okay, type of something. Okay, but depends on situation. Okay, depends on situation. But for this question, MV will use the words type of. Clear? Okay or not? For this question, for this question, from 4 chapter 10, 10.3, the MV will be starts with type of. Dalam BM, type of tu jenis lah kan? Jenis. Okay, faham? Okay, so jenis ni, jika kita dah kata jenis tu mesti ada dua barang yang berbeza. There were totally two different things, okay? And then only that there is two different things, then only we will know these things have their own type. Clear? Jika kita nak macam nak bezakan dia punya apa jenis tu, okay, contoh. Contoh ini tomato. Contoh, okay? Ini tak dalam soalan ni. Ini tomato. Lepas tu, tak nak tomato lah. Nanti orang marah pula. Contoh ini sawi. Ini strawberry. Okay, contoh lah. Okay, sawi dia jenis apa? Sawi tu sayur kan? Betul kan? Sawi tu sayur. Sawi is vegetables, right? And then strawberry, what is strawberry? What is strawberry? Yeah, strawberry is fruit. Strawberry is fruit. Are they the same? Are they the same? No. Yeah. So only by differentiating the both things, then we only can know their type. Clear? So this is Macam mana MV ni datang? Macam mana uh, a manipulated variable axis? Clear or not? So you need to differentiate, okay? So for MV, you need to differentiate. Clear or not? Okay or not? Okay, I think very clear lah, huh? Because this is my study style. I always study like this, okay? So you can see, manipulate two different things, type of and journeys. So you can see, we have two apples. Can I write type of apples here? Can I write type of apples here? No, cannot lah. Why should I write type of apples? Both of them are fruit. Both of them are in the same category. Both of them are apples. Why I need to write type of fruit? They are same. Cannot. So, fruit, if they are same, okay, saya bagi tips senang saja. Jika awak faham, confirm boleh score. Jika same, if they are same, literally CV. Jika awak nampak perkara yang sama, it literally will be CV. Clear? Okay ya? So, maksudnya contohlah, dalam eksperimen ni, we are using apple. Dalam eksperimen ni, kita gunakan apple. So, maksudnya uh, kita fix, okay? Kita tentukan apple ni. Tak boleh ada perubahan dah. Faham? We just fix that. Or in this experiment, we can only use apples. Clear? Okay or not? I repeat again, same means CV. If you see that the diagram, these things are exactly the same, it totally will be CV. Like this question you see, there are apples here. Two apples. Are they look the same? Are they look the same? I mean the shape lah. Are they look the same? Yes, the apple is totally look the same. So, same means what? Same means CV. Jika sama bermaksud pemboleh ubah dimalahkan. Jadi, apple ni confirm CV. Jadi, kita tak boleh ambil apple lah. Clear or not? Okay or not? Clear, You see, very, very obvious only. Just use my concept and go. If you study like me, confirm can go one, confirm can score one. Because if you follow the textbook, you don't even know what is the textbook talking about. Awak takkan faham textbook tu cakap apa. So you better use your own study method. If you have your own study method, everything will be better one. Trust me. Okay, so we already confirmed that our apple will be CV, then we don't touch apple. Don't touch apple. Right now, you try to see what is the differences. Okay, so let me give you another tips. When you see MV, RV, confirm got differences. Confirm got differences. Only CV they will be same. I repeat again, like MV and RV, pemboleh ubah, manipulasi dengan pemboleh ubah, bergerak balas, komponen mereka tu berbeza. Dalam ayat tu, awak boleh nampak mereka dua-dua tu beza. Okay? Tapi CV, pemboleh ubah, dimalahkan, awak baca je, awak confirm boleh tahu. Jika awak baca CV tu, you can just know, oh, the things mentioned in CV are actually the same. You can know. So, I give you a tips. MV difference, RV difference, CV same. Okay, clear? This is the tips I gave you. Can? Okay, good. So, right now, you try to see in this diagram 11, you try to observe. You need to do observation. Try to observe what is the differences between these apples, including the word given. You try to differentiate. Firstly, tell me the differences. Okay, there are two differences in this diagram. What is the first differences? Okay, maksud saya, Dalam diagram ini kita orang ada dua jenis beza. Beza lah. So ada dua beza. So awak kena cari beza dalam gambar raja ni dan juga dalam ayat ini. Okay, saya dah bagi tips. You try to tell me your answer. Come on. What's your answer? Good job. Give her a clap, guys. Qi Xuan answered it correctly. The color changes on apple slices. Okay, you can see very obvious. The color are different. Okay, this is the first differences. This is the first differences. Okay, so I write down Qi Xuan's answer. This is the first differences. So first differences. So the first differences, color changes, right? On the apple slices. Okay, this is the first differences. How about another differences? There are two. Pandai. Satu direndam dalam air suling, satu lagi direndam dalam air garam. Good job. Give her a clap, guys. Where are you? Give her a clap. Okay, it's okay lah. I give by my own. Come. Give her a clap. Yes, clap, 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 clap. Okay, okay. Congratulations. Your answer are correct. Type of solution. But in exam, if you write type of solution correct one, if you don't know right, you can write salt water and distilled water. Still acceptable. Ah, so type of solution. The solution, larutan dia beza. Larutan dia beza, okay? Solution means larutan. Jenis larutan. Okay, clear? And then color changes to perubahan warna. Perubahan. Perubahan warna pada irisan apple. Okay. Okay, so we already get the differences. We already get the differences right now. Right now. MV, RV, which one do you think? Okay, maybe some students know, maybe some students don't know. I want all of you answer me. Answer me. For those who don't know, answer me. For those who know, don't answer yet. Clear? Don't answer yet. Okay, so for those who don't know, you pay attention. MV means manipulasi, manipulated. The things that we can control, we can control it manually. Okay, I repeat again. MV means pemboleh ubah manipulasi or MV, which is the things that we can control. Okay, we can control it manually. Clear? Okay or not this part? Okay or not? Clear or no? Wait, why so quiet? I'm so scary lah. Don't be so quiet. Clear, okay, good, good, good. Okay, good, 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 good. I'm afraid. Okay, thank you. So, manipulated, we can control. We, kita orang yang manipulasikan. Maksudnya kita nak dia macam mana, dia macam mana. Contoh, saya, ini water bottle saya nak masukkan lemon pun boleh, masukkan tea bag pun boleh, suka hati. Saya memanipulasikan. Tapi, if RV tu berbeza. Ataupun pemberi ubah bergerak balas tu berbeza. Okay, RV, you see the word R. You see the word R. I tell you, you pay attention, you can answer. You see, wait, you see the word R. I tell you, you see the word R. Okay, so you see the arrow is here. Okay, you see the word R. Pay attention, you see the word R. You know what's the meaning of R? R means result. Okay, R means, wait, R means result. Okay, I know R is responding. But you can awak boleh kira dia sebagai result. Maksudnya, where you can get your RV by looking at the result. Clear or no? Okay or no? Okay ah. So, responding variable pemberi ubah bergerak malas, kita refer dekat result. Kita refer dekat result. Okay, so result tu, result tu, result sebenar. Okay, result, real result, obvious result. Okay, and let me think the last one. How do I tell? First one real, second one obvious. Okay, third one uncontrollable. What is the meaning of uncontrollable? Kita orang tak boleh memanipulasikan result dia. Faham? Faham. Kita tak boleh memanipulasikan keputusan dia. Faham? Clear or no? So, if the result is like this and it will be like this, I cannot change the result. Clear or no? Okay or not? Guys, don't be so quiet. I scared. If got question, you want to ask in Chinese, you just tell. Your answer nearly correct. Okay, I already told you don't tell the answer yet. Let me finish lah. Can lah. Shh. Can lah. Can ah? Let me finish first. Okay. So let me teach you slowly. Okay, because some people they don't know. That's why they join my class because they don't know. Then they join. Okay. So result firstly, it must be real. Second one must be obvious. Third one must be uncontrollable. I cannot control the result like that, like that. Keputusan dia macam tu. 它的结果这样了，就是这样，我转换不到它的结果，明白吗？ Clear? Oh, you're so quiet. I afraid leh. Don't be so quiet. Come. Clear ah? Okay. So we already know differences between MV, RV, and then we already have two differences. You see, we already have two differences. The first one, you see the first one, you see the first one is color changes on the apple slices. Okay, pengubahan warna pada irisan apple. First one. Second one is type of solution, jenis larutan. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the second one. So try to tell me which one is MV. Which one is MV? The first one or the second one? Yes, the second one. The second one, let me see. Yeah, the second one, type of solution. Okay, Chishan, you explain why I pick, why type of solution is MV. Different type. Okay, firstly, okay, yeah. Yeah, you see, two different things. Okay, and then type. Obviously lah. So, pemboleh ubah manipulasi, okay, or MV will be type of solution. Okay, let me write type of solution. How about RV? Which one is RV? I just write the English one, BM1, you copy by your own. Okay, I already wrote here. Yes, good job, Xixuan. Color changes on apple slices. Okay, clear or not? And that's all. Okay, I don't want to write the second time already. Okay, so Jenis larutan pemboleh ubah, manipulasi, color changes. Okay, I just use highlighter to highlight lah since I'm lazy to write already. So you refer the purple you. So you refer the purple color one ah. Okay, I highlight and then you know where is it. Okay, this one. Okay okay, this one. This one is RV. Okay, faham ah? Okay, can or cannot? Can ah, okay. Good job. So let's proceed to the question ah. Okay, so based on the situation in diagram 11, you are required to carry out an investigation. Awak kena buat satu penyiasatan untuk mengkaji pengoksidaan irisan. Oh, betul lah. Oh, pengoksidaan. Okay, mengkaji pengoksidaan irisan apple. You see, oxidation of apple slices, really obvious. And then you are asked to write a report. Anda diminta untuk tulis report, iaitu laporan eksperimen yang mengandungi A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so for this question, total marks, oh wait, total marks will be 10 marks. Total marks will be 10 marks, 10 marks. 10 marks is really high. Okay, so please make sure you score 7 or above, Okay, 7 or above. Like this one, and then this one, must score lah. Here already got 6 marks, you know. Okay, if here maybe you can get 1 or 2 marks. Maybe. How do we know? You already get 8 marks, you know. So I tell you, this chapter, this question, you master, you only do one time, and then you find the same question, you do it consistently. You can score one. Why? Because the question are exactly the same, always the same one. But sometimes A, B, C, D, E, F, they will change a bit only, a bit only. Sometimes they will ask about RV and way to control. Okay, CV, way to control, or maybe precaution step or something. Mana kita orang boleh aspek soalan keluar macam mana kan? So, latihan kena banyak, consistent exercise. Okay, so first one, pernyataan masalah problem statement. Jangan lupa pernyataan masalah, what you need to put behind of the sentence. What you need to put behind. Yes, good job, Xixuan. Question mark. If you don't put question mark, then you get 0 mark. Okay, so now I'm teaching you technique. For those who left, okay, they regret lah. Okay, so what is the purpose? I tell you to write MV, RV, CV. Kenapa saya suruh awak tulis siap-siap pemboleh ubah manipulasi, pemboleh ubah bergerak balas, pemboleh ubah dimalahkan? Kenapa saya suruh awak semua untuk tulis siap-siap? Why I tell you to write before we start to do exercise? Because I can use it in many places. I can use it here. I can use it here. No, I mean all these I can use MV, RV, CV. All of it. I tell you, all of it. That's why I tell you to write MV, RV, CV. That's why I tell you to write MV, RV, CV. That's the thing. Okay, so just follow my technique and then you can go on. Okay, so awak kena hafal baik-baik MV, RV, CV. Lepas tu MV apa, RV apa, CV apa, and then cara nak control, cara nak how to do and everything. Awak kena tahu semua tu. Okay, awak kena tahu sendiri. Awak kena tahu sendiri. Okay, so sekarang tengok soalan. Dia kata pernyataan masalah, problem statement, you need to put a question mark. If you don't put question mark, you get 0 mark, although the sentence are correct. Okay, so let's see. Okay, problem statement. What is the formula? Do MV affect RV? Okay, you think correct or no? Do you think this is the correct one? Do you think this is the correct one? Do you think this is correct? Anybody knows? Qixuan, do you know? Is correct or incorrect? Is correct or incorrect? Okay, Shirley said correct. Shirley said correct. Okay, Audrey said correct. Xixuan is correct or incorrect? Xixuan, correct or not correct? Xixuan said correct. Correct, meh? You see properly? Three of you. Why no leh? Why not correct? Why not correct? Why suddenly you change your decision? Aiyo, what did I tell you just now? What do you need in problem statement? I ask you again. What do I need in problem statement? What thing I need behind of the sentence? What is that? What is the thing I need? Yes, question mark. You see the tips I give you. Do I put question mark behind there? Do I put question mark? No. So is this correct? No, obviously. So what I need to do? So what I need to do? Yes, add a question mark behind the sentence. So put a question mark. Done. So again, what's your MV? Your MV is your MV is type of solution. So I don't want to write already, I just highlight. Okay. So your MV, really obvious, is type of solution. So just put down, just write already. Just write, okay? RV is color changes on apple slices. Done. Clear or not clear? Wait, I saw a question. Okay. Okay. Jia Yuan, later I answer your question after I finish my class. You stay first, later I answer you. Okay, done. So this is A. Do type of solution affect color changes on the apple slices? Question mark. Done. Okay, anybody want to ask questions for this part? For A, anybody? No, let's proceed. B. B, hypothesis. Hypothesis, I still need to use MVRV1. I still need to use MVRV1. So, hypothesis, you need to take the answer, the answer based on result. Okay, I need to take the answer based on result. So, what's your result? Okay, you see, this one oxidation, this one no changes. So, wait, this one no changes. So, really obvious one. One got oxidation, which is color changes. Another one don't have color changes. There. Okay, so I always like to do it like this. I always like to cut it into half. I always like to cut it into half. Why? Why I do cut it into half? Because this is no changes one, this is changes one. So it will be really obvious. You can either take this one or take this one. So so B is asking about hypothesis. So hypothesis, you need to refer the result, but you cannot tell the answer. What is the meaning? Although I know, okay, I tell you, although I know this is oxidation, but I cannot write oxidation. I can only write color changes. Clear or no? Hypothesis means, hypothesis means I trying to guess something might be happen. But however, I cannot write down the result. Clear? So that's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. Okay or not? So I ask you again, hypothesis, can I write the result? Although I know this is oxidation, can I write? No, cannot write, You can only write what? What you can only write? What you can only write? So what's the main thing you can only write? Yeah, color changes. Okay. If you want to write specifically also can. You can either you want to write this one, maybe become brown color. Can you can write the color. If you don't know the color and then you afraid that your teacher give like this, and then you don't do, you just write color changes. Okay, clear. So you want to take this one or this one? I let you choose. You want to take A or take B? Which one you want? Which one you want? Okay, Shirley wants A. How about the others? Okay, Qishan want A. Why people want A? Because if you write B, if you don't know how to write, maybe you might lose marks. Okay? So we take this one, So we take this one. So hypothesis means I try to guess something that might happen, but I cannot write the result. So you need to focus for this one. Okay. So hypothesis right now, if, then. Okay. Must start with if and then then. If, then. It is actually like Form 4, Chapter 3, maths, logical reasoning. If you learn before mathematics, this is probably the same. If, then. Am I right? Am I right? I think so. Form 4, Chapter 3. So, if, then. If, then. Okay, so you can write right now. If the apple slices soak into what solution is that? We soak into what solution in A? This one. What solution is this? Yeah, good job, Qishan. Salt water. So, is it right now? If the apple slices soak into salt water, then, oh yeah, then the apple has no changes. Okay, done. So, the technique is if, then, if, then. I guess no color changes, I think will be better. No color changes. Okay. So this is the BI1, BM1. I just translate it lah, So, jika hirisan apple, okay, jika hirisan apple direndam, salt water is uh air garam. Direndam dalam air garam. Okay. So same as the English one. No changes lor. Maka hirisan apple tersebut tiada uh, perubahan warna. Okay, done. So I tell you the technique if then. Okay, if then. Jika maka. Boleh? I think it's really clear lah. Can or cannot? Can Okay, so let's do C. Let's do C. Okay, you see, this question, manipulated variable and way to control it. If you watch my video, 10.2, that video, you confirm can answer. Manipulated variable is MV actually, really obvious one. Okay, manipulated variable, boleh ubah dimanipulasi, cara untuk mengawalnya, way to control it. So, if we see MV, if we see the word manipulated variable, way to control, it will really obvious, use different. Okay, write down, use different. When you see the word MV and it asks you the way to control MV, you need to mention that use different. This is the technique. So let's do C. So firstly, you need to tell the MV first. So C, you need to tell the MV first. MV is type of solution. Okay, MV is type of solution. Type of solution is jenis larutan. Okay, so right now it asks you to write down the way to control it. Cara untuk mengawalnya. So senang. So use different type of solution. Okay, use different type of solution such as, okay, untuk dia tanya way to control, if they ask for way to control, you better write down the example lah. For me in exam, I write down example such as the first one is salt water lor. Okay, the second one will be your distilled water. Okay, done. Really easy only. Okay, done. Okay, so in BM, uh, wait, so in BM, how do you write in BM? How do you write in BM? BM is, okay, in BM is gunakan jenis larutan yang berbeza. Yaitu air garam dan air suling. Okay, siap. Easy. Got question want to ask? Really easy, right? No, not easy, Got question want to ask? Oh, no question. Oh my God, I thought it's not easy. Okay, so let's see donkey. So, donkey, bahan dan radas, materials and apparatus. Okay, materials and apparatus, I give you a tips. You can get it from diagram. You can get it from diagram. Dapatkan dari raja. Okay, dapatkan, wait dapatkan MV awak, maaf, materials dan apparatus which is bahan dan radas awak dari gambar raja. So, wait my hand is sweating. Okay, okay. So, materials and apparatus. Okay, so dapatkan dari gambar raja. First, two materials you can get it from here. two materials. Okay, two, okay, two, one, two, no, three materials. Three. I mean four. You can get four materials from here. So what do you see in this diagram? What do you see? What is the largest thing you see? What is that? Apple slices. Okay. So firstly, your apparatus. Yeah, Qishun answer is correct. So the materials will be, the first one is apple lah. No need to write slices, just write apple. If you want to write green apple, red apple also can one lah. Apple only got two types of color ma. You got see meh? Apple with orange color one got meh? Okay, apple. So the first one is apple. Awak nak tulis apple merah, apple hijau pun boleh, suka hati. Okay, next. What what you can see from here? You need to see the sentence also. See the sentence. Apple is the first one. How about the solution? Macam mana dengan larutan? Is solution one of the materials and apparatus? Yes or no? Yes or no? Good job. So in in this in this part you can write down salt water, okay, salt water ataupun salt water or air garam, and then another one is distilled water or air suling. Okay, try to get the last one. The last one, you need to think by your own. You cannot simply write one. If simply write, you also cannot get the answer even. Ah, so let me tell you. In Form 1, you learn about many types of like, you learn about example, you learn about petri dish, petri petri pe, petri dish. You learn about thermometer. You learn you ni or you learn about thermometer. You learn about conical flask, right? You learn about test tube. What is this called? What is this known as? You learn about many types of things, right? Petri dish, thermometer, conical flask, test tube. You already learned in Form 1. So what is that? Yes, apparatus. So you see, you got the apple, you got the solution, you got the larutan, which is water. So if water, you need something, you need a apparatus, okay? You need to EC something. You need to EC the water into like something like a cup. I already give you the detail. It looks like a cup. So what do you think? Good job, Qixuan. Good job. So we need beaker. How many beakers we need? How many we need? Why we need two? Why we need two? Good job. Because of I have two solutions. I have two solutions, then I need two beakers. Only you write down two beakers, only you get the marks. I repeat again, only you mention that you have two beakers, only that you can get full marks. Clear or not clear? So donkey will be two beakers. Okay. Okay. So done. Okay. Beakers in Malay, if not mistaken, is bika, I think. You just write down dua bika. Yo, I think I correct, Audit. I think I correct. Dua bika. Okay, clear. Okay, so you see the question, how many marks? You see the question, how many marks? You see the question, how many marks? 2 marks, right? 2 marks, right? So, how many things you wrote? Yo, how many things you wrote? You wrote four. You wrote four, right? So let me tell you, for this question, the scheme answer works really special. Really special. If you only write down 1 until 2 apparatus, you get 1 mark. If you write 3 to 5 apparatus, you will get 2 marks. You see how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 4, and then we get 2 marks, which is the full marks. Okay, so in exam, when the question asks you to write down, you better give as many as you can, and then they will select the correct one. But if you lucky, you write all the correct apparatus in front. Example, you write like this. Okay, example, your answer. Example, the question is only 1 mark, and then it tells you to write the apparatus. Example, you write apple, you write beaker, and then you write test tube, and then you write thermometer. Okay, you write thermometer. And then the teacher, it will read the first one. Okay, correct, correct, 1 mark. And then the behind one, she ignore, lor, since not incorrect. But however, if your answer is apple, you write test tube, you write beaker. And then she will see, okay, betul, salah, and then the behind one, she just ignore because not in front. You get 0 mark. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, the marking schemes works like that. Actually works like that, if I'm not mistaken. Clear? Okay or not? Okay or not? Can confirm can lah. Okay, 2 more question and then we can end our class already. And then I can edit the video already. Yay. Clear. Good job. Okay, let's see question. Let's see question E. Question E, drawing or a label materials. Okay, drawing or of a label materials and apparatus. Okay, so the things you label here, I repeat again. Where's my pencil? The things you label here, E, you need to have all the things inside here. Okay, so E, I will use pencil to answer since I'm only allowed use pencil to draw. Make sure drawing use pencil. Drawing pencil only. Must be pencil. If you use pen, cannot. So firstly, what we have? Okay, I suggest you to look from down to up. Okay, from below to up lah. It will be better. Okay, from below to up. This will be the first one. This will be the first one, and then this will be the last one lah. Okay, so let's see the first one. We have dua bika. We have 2 beakers. So firstly, we draw 2 beakers. Two beakers pula. Beakers, okay, beakers. So firstly, we draw you. Firstly, we draw 2 beakers. Okay, make sure the shape of the beakers are exactly the same. Exactly the same. Okay, so we already done 2 beakers down. Okay, the first thing done, you put a pangkah kecil kat tepi. So ignore already, don't do already. Secondly, salt water, distill water. Okay, salt water, distill water. Oh, my alphabet run. Okay, salt water, distill water. So you just draw Salt water lor. So this one salt water, this one distilled water lor. They must be look exactly same tall like this exactly same tall. You see the pink color line or not? You see you can see the pink color line. Okay, maybe you cannot see. Okay, I put larger. You see you see. When I put, you see the pink color line there. Can you see it? That's the thing I want. That's the thing I want. So you label now. Label you can use pen for sure. Label you can use pen. So this is salt solution. This is salt solution. And then this will be our what's that? Distilled water. Air suling. Salt water, not solution. Okay. Question said, question didn't mention it is uh solution. Dia bukan larutan. Dia air. So you can only write salt water and then air garam. Okay. Okay. So we done already. We done salt water, distilled water. Done. We have the last one, which is the apple. So you just draw lor the apple. I just draw outside because I draw it really ugly. So you draw apples. Apples got seeds one, right? Okay, you draw beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so you put here, and then one will be here. Okay, so apples, apples. Okay, both of them must be look exactly the same. I tell you, must be exactly the same. And then sometimes I saw some people ask, hey, if I buat terbalik I mean wait. I buat terbalik macam ni like this can like this can can nothing. This is also the correct one. I like to be this side. Okay, so I draw like this. Depends on yourself lah. Depends on yourself lah. Depends on yourself. Okay, depends on yourself lah. Okay Okay, if you have done, raise your hand. Okay, you enjoy drawing first. If you have done, raise your hand. Okay, good. How about the others? Have you done? Okay, you draw first, draw first. Okay, if you have done, raise your hand. Okay, if you have done, raise your hand. Okay, so let's proceed Okay, Qixuan, you can lower down your hand already. Okay, okay. So this if you draw like this you don't get full marks. Okay, when I soak the apple into the distilled water, what will happen? Tell me. Okay, what will happen if I soak the water into sorry, I soak the apple into the distilled water? Apa yang akan berlaku apabila saya merendamkan apple tersebut ke dalam air suling? What will happen? Tell me in the chat box. Yeah, the color changes. Good job, Qixuan. So the color changes. So I suggest all of you, you better draw the color. Okay? You don't need to draw like you don't need to draw using brown color. You using your you using your pencil to shade also can one. Make sure it is obvious, huh? You don't need to draw like really dark or something. No need lah. You just draw like this, huh? And then only you will get marks. Where you get marks, since this question 3 marks, if you write down this 1 mark, and then both of correct, 1 mark, and then you will get 3 marks. Okay? Can or cannot? Can ah. Okay, let's do the last question and the last question for today's class. Okay, the question asks you to do tabulation of data. Tabulation of data, obviously you will need MV and RV1, I tell you. You will probably need MV and RV. So, tabulation of data, you need to draw the table. Okay, so if you joined my class yesterday, tabulation of data is actually actually known as plus minus method. If you joined my class before, you will totally know. Okay, so let me ask you, okay, just a short question only lah. This is one, this is two. Okay, so I tell you, tabulation of data, okay, in exam, sometimes it will come out uh, two types of table. Sometimes they come out like this, sometimes they come out like this. So this is called minus method and this is called plus method. How do I differentiate between plus and minus method? Really easy. Plus method, their shape look exactly the same. Their shape is really like consistent one. And then for minus, this one maybe will be smaller or larger. The shape will totally different with the components inside here. So, let me tell you, if this is minus, I'll tell you, if it is minus situation, which is this one, NV up, RV down. If this is plus situation, MV right, MV left, RV right. If you joined my class yesterday, you will know. Okay, clear? Clear or not? Can or cannot? So let me ask you, I okay, before I ask you a question, I always suggest people to do the plus method. Better do the plus method. Don't do the minus method. Do plus method. Don't do the minus method. We have two methods, plus minus method. So you just take the plus method one. Plus method one will be easier. And even scheme answers will also give like this one. I jarang nampak yang ini lah. So let us draw a table. So draw a table. So I want to say, yeah, okay, good. So draw a table and then, okay, draw. Okay, so draw together lah, all of you. We are, okay, like this. Okay, can connect each other, good. Oh. Okay, good. So, okay, this is the table will look like. Don't ask me why 3 boxes. If you ask me 3 boxes, oh, yo. Don't ask me why got 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Don't ask me. You must know by yourself. Okay, let me ask you, this is plus method or minus method? This is plus method or minus method? Plus or minus? Two methods, plus minus. You think this is which one? Yes, this is plus method, obviously. So where do I put my MV? Up, down, or left, right? Up, down, confirm no, is not the answer already, lor. Why? Because up, down is for minus method. This one is plus method, plus method. If it is plus method, We need to put it. Yes, good job, Qi. We need to put it on the left. So, what's your MV again? What's your pemboleh ubah manipulasi again? Type of solution, or you can just write down type of solution. Jenis larutan. Okay, jenis larutan. And then this will be your RV, and then you just copy the RV. But make sure when you write down RV, you must write down the time. What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? Good job. So before 1 hour or after 1 hour, this is the thing that you need to know also. Before or after. Ah, look back. Yeah, good job, Qi. After an hour. So you write down RV and then after 1 hour. You need to write, So in BM, selepas 1 jam. Okay, I don't write already, I don't write already. Okay. So don't forget, tabulation of data. This one no need to put the result one. No need to put the result here. The main thing we focus is this part. This part. This part don't touch. Clear or not? Clear or not? Can or cannot? Can or cannot? Can, Okay, I think can lah. Okay, can, Okay, good. Clear, Okay. So, RV don't touch. Okay. Whenever it is plus method or plus method or minus method, don't touch the RV. Just focus on the MV. So, you already know the MV, we have two types. What is the first? MV is type of solution. What is the first solution? Yeah. The first solution is salt water. Air garam, no? You write by your own, Okay. The first one is salt water. Okay, I write for you guys, okay lah. Salt water or air garam. How about the RV? What is your Oh, sorry, not RV. How about another solution? Not RV, not RV. RV cannot touch. Change. Yeah, distill water, not change color. Why answer change color? Distill water. Distill water. Air suling. Okay, done. That's all. Only you write like this, only you write the thing like this, you can only get 1 mark. Only like this. If something correct, like maybe you write down this is maybe you write down this is sodium solution or something, you get answer is wrong because you didn't base on question. Maybe you write down this is 100 plus. Example, you write down this is 100 plus solution. You write down this is 100 plus solution, you get 0 marks, no? So, tabulation of data is easy to score, but it is also the dangerous one. If you don't do it properly, it will harder to score. Okay, you need to do it properly, and then you need to make sure your answer is correct. Then only you can get 1 mark. Okay, clear, Okay, I hope this helps, Okay, everybody. So if you want to screenshot, you can screenshot first. Come, okay, come. You screenshot first. 1 minute. Wait, Okay, so let me count down. I want to stop recording already. Okay, if you done screenshot, you screenshot. If you done screenshot, you tell me. Okay, because got student want to ask question, let me answer. Okay, done. Okay, so I count down. I want to stop recording already. Okay, I hope this really help. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.